Yo, what is up, my Apple Watch Pro family? And since I was like very little, my dream since I was seriously very little was to attend to Mobile World Congress. Now last year, I mean for the past years, I've been trying to go to Mobile World Congress. And last year I was very close to go, but I didn't get to go. And this year I was very close to go, but yet I wasn't really going. Until yesterday, a friend, he messaged me and he's like, I found a ticket for you, I found a pass for you, and I was like freaking out. So today is the day that my dream is coming true. Today we will be attending, it's raining, today we will be attending to Mobile World Congress. So I've currently been looking for a taxi for like 30 minutes. It's currently 9 o'clock and Mobile World Congress opens at 9. So I'm kind of a little bit upset, but we'll find one. We'll find one. Alright you guys, so we have a ride at Mobile World Congress 2018. It says Android, the world's most popular mobile OS. Kind of disagree, but it's okay. I'm just very happy to be here. And this wouldn't be possible without you guys. Thank you. Alright you guys, I have officially entered Mobile World Congress, Nikias Molina Apple Watch Pro. I'm excited to be here. The place where I'm at right now, there's not really a lot going on. I saw some fake smartwatches that kind of look like the Apple Watch, so we're gonna go ahead and look at those. Yeah, expect a very exciting day, guys. So that was pretty funny. Those smartwatches looked so fake. The material looked pretty nice though. So I figured this was gonna be like this. This is huge, there's so many booths, so much stuff. I just went inside a booth. I didn't really film a lot of apps, so people who had really good app ideas and they were just showing them off to people. Also, I got a free pop socket, which was pretty cool. My goal now is to go to the Samsung Galaxy S9 booth to check out the new Samsung Galaxy S9 and of course ditch on it a little bit because there's not a lot of new features in that phone. Okay, so I'm currently in this booth and I met this guy. They have some amazing products, so he's gonna tell you some about it.
Hi, my name is Michael. I'm from 3MK. We're the European producers of the invisible cases. This is the main product we produce. Made in Poland, made in Europe and fully patented. Main product. Second product is the color case. Similar to that, you just change the color of your phone like that. Next product is the natural case, very slim one, for over 80 phones, very neat in the colors, transparent, looks very nice.
So where can they buy your product?
Basically you can buy our products on Amazon, and also in a few countries we have the regular distribution. You can check everything on our website 3mkprotection.com.
I will link it down below. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And of course that was not sponsored, but they put on this skin that is clear. I'm literally wearing a case right now. It's so thin. It's like a screen protector kind of thing. Amazing. Once again, links are down below. Once again, not sponsored. Anyways, let's go ahead and look for more free stuff. Let's go ahead and look for more cool stuff. Look at that car. My gosh, that was cool. Alright guys, I'm currently live streaming. Check it out. Live streaming. Say hi to the fam. Hello, hello. You guys are going to be in a video. Very nice. Also, look at this. A flying drone. So you can literally get on it. Awesome. I mean, where has technology gone? Amazing. Oh my gosh, you can actually sit on it. I'm not gonna do it. I wanna keep exploring. Let's go. Now this phone is from a company called Wiko. It's actually not bad. The design of this thing is actually pretty good. The display on it is also amazing. Like if I compare it to my iPhone 10, it's actually pretty up there. like almost as good.
Business model, how we can have a connected taxi and
that is the owner of my taxi. That's the CEO, which is huge. That guy is a big deal. Very big deal. All that big line is because they give free Oreo ice cream. Not a big fan of big lines, but they gave me this. They gave me a free Android badge, which is pretty cute. It's got the Google Assistant icon on it. Pretty cute. I'm really digging some water right now. I'm so thirsty. I can't find water anywhere. There was this vending machine that gave water, but didn't accept credit cards, so I'm just really thirsty. All right, guys. I officially have... Oh, jeez, Louise. I officially have water, which is great. We still haven't done a lot of things here in Mobile World Congress. I still have to go to the Samsung booth, which is of course where everybody really wants to go. LG booth. There's a Google booth as well that I wanted to go to, and that's pretty much it. I think it's called Hall 2 where all the big things are. That's where we're gonna go next. But now, water, we got sushi, good stuff. Alright, so we're officially in the Samsung booth, which is honestly the best booth that I've seen so far. It's big, there's a lot of activities you can do. Pretty cool. There's a lot of VR, a lot of experiences you can experience. To be honest, all I want to see is the S9. And here's the Huawei booth, which should be pretty exciting. They released a very good computer, which we're going to take a look at in a couple of seconds. Alright, so Nokia has two phones this year. Nokia currently has the Nokia 3310, which is a great phone for, for example, my grandma. It's $49, which is a great phone, great affordable phone. So it's pretty nice, and the design is pretty beautiful as well. It doesn't have 3G, but it's enough for a lot of people. Now, Nokia also released, let me see what it's called again. Nokia released the Nokia 8110. Now this has a lot of debate, the banana phone. It's cute and all, the design is pretty beautiful as well, but I do not see who this phone is for. The other one, it's 50 bucks, it's pretty affordable. It doesn't have LTE, it doesn't have all those fancy things that a lot of phones have, but this one has LTE, and people who want LTE, of course, are gonna get an iPhone or an Android phone. But this one, it's kind of in the middle of two markets, people who don't want LTE, people who want LTE on their phones, so I don't see who this phone is for. Beautiful design, pretty fun design, but once again, don't know who this phone is for. This very nice man gave me a bottle of water. Shout out to that guy, so thirsty. Cheers. How could I forget that? The Google booth. Let's go inside. I don't know what they're selling, but let's go. Here we go, there are these things. Let's see what it is. That's pretty cool. There we have the Google Pixel Buds. It's pretty cool. What's in here? Google Wi-Fi. What's in there? The Google Home. Cool. There's Google Clip. There's all the products on the Google ecosystem. It's pretty cool. That's the Pixel. Is that it though? Is that how Google is presenting their products? I think that might be it. There's some photos over there. Can you get inside? Can you get inside here? Well, the security guard just said that it's closed, so I guess that was not the only thing that they were showing. So, Google booth. Pretty cool, pretty creative the way that they showed their products. Now let's just keep exploring, let's see what we can find. So anyways guys, that's pretty much it for this video. That's pretty much it for Mobile World Congress 2018. I had a lot of fun. I wish I could come back next year. Hopefully I will come back next year, and hopefully I could actually go to CES. And my dream, my biggest dream is to go to Apple's keynote. But one of my first dreams has been completed. Coming to Mobile World Congress has been a dream since I was very little. So thank you guys for coming along today's journey. It was a lot of fun. Overall, my thoughts on Mobile World Congress, on everything that was released today, the Samsung Galaxy S9 was definitely my top. It was definitely up there. The new Nokia phones were a lot of fun. The Huawei, the new computer that we saw, it was also great. There was a lot of cars, a lot of cool tech. I actually got a couple free stuff. I actually got this GPS tracker where you can put in your wallet and it will actually track it, and it does sounds and stuff. Got that for free. I actually got a journal and stuff. Got a couple stuff for free, which was, you know, I love free stuff. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Have you guys ever gone to Mobile World Congress? Have you guys ever gone to just a technology congress? That is it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.